Welcome to Learning Bucket. Expand your horizons and unlock your potential. Explore our learning bucket list ideas and fuel your lifelong learning journey. Let us explore types of investments. Ensure where to start with investing. Discover different investment types to fit your goals. Let us level up your savings. Unlock the power of deposits, funds, bonds, stocks, and property. Ready, set, think. Warm up your brains with the missing letter challenge. What is a financial term that means money held at a bank? A transaction involving the transfer of money to another party for safekeeping. It refers to a portion of the money used as security or collateral for the delivery of a good. Yes, you are correct. It is deposit. What is a supply of capital belonging to numerous investors used to collectively purchase securities while each investor retains ownership and control of his shares? Yes, correct. It is fund. What provides a broader selection of investment opportunities, greater management expertise, and lower investment fees than investors might be able to obtain on their own? Amazing. Toy got it right. ID is fund. What is a fixed income instrument that represents a loan made by an investor to a borrower? Great, you got the correct answer. ID is bond. What is used by companies, municipalities, states, and sovereign governments to finance projects and operations? Good job, you are correct. What is a security that represents the ownership of a fraction of a corporation? Great, you are correct. The answer is stock. What is a tangible or hard asset investment that is very appealing, like real estate, building, and land? That is right. The answer is property. Thank you for your participation. I hope you learned from ID.